How to download the Facebook Messenger chat conversation. Hey guys, and let's get started. If you want to see and download the Facebook Messenger chat, the steps are quite simple. To get started with, open your Facebook and go to Profile. From this page, scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy and go to Settings. From Settings, scroll down under Your Information, tap on Download Your Information. After that, tap on Continue and then you will see two options. First of all, go to download or transfer information, and then you have to tap on specific type of information. Once you tap on it, from the list select on messages, then tap on next, and then you can choose if you want to download to device or transfer to destination. After that, you have to create the file to download. For this, you can select the date range. Also, you can change the notify option, the format of the file, as well as the media quality. After that, tap on the continue or create file button, and once it is ready, a notification will be sent to you. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.